Hi, I'm Chef Rachel Gooding, and one of my favorite things is making healthy foods taste great, especially when it comes to veggies. An important aspect of a healthy diet is eating a lot of vegetables, and people tend not to eat enough to experience their benefits. There are so many delicious options that are low cost and always in season, that no matter what you choose, every bite is full of nutrition. The trick is knowing how to prepare and flavor them. Luckily, that's easy. There are simple cooking techniques that can add variety to your traditional dishes. And one of the easiest things to do is add flavor using the spices and herbs you already have in your pantry. It's fun to explore new seasonings, but also just as good to use the items you have on hand. Experimenting with spices and herbs doesn't have to be expensive and works out to be just pennies a day. While there are so many delicious options when preparing all variety of vegetables, today we're going to be roasting some frozen broccoli. To start, we've preheated our oven to 500 degrees. This sounds hot, but it's going to help us get some delicious browning while also having perfectly cooked broccoli. We're just going to open our bag of broccoli right from the freezer and pour it into our bowl. We're going to add a small amount of vegetable oil, and this is just really to help the roasting process. Next, it's the fun part. We're going to add our flavor. I'm using a little garlic, a little onion powder, some black pepper, and dill. But when you're at home, you can explore what you like. See what you have in your pantry, taste and smell things. Invite your family to play along with you, especially the kids. And you just want to toss this all together to make sure everything is evenly coated in these flavors. And now we're gonna pop them into our oven. All we're gonna do is lay them out flat in a single layer on a foil-lined baking tray. And we really wanna make sure that nothing is touching, and that's gonna help in the browning. From here, all you have to do is pop this in our preheated oven and wait. Since these are frozen vegetables, we'll roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes. But if they were fresh or canned, we'd go closer to 10 to 15. All right, so our 15 minutes are past. These have all the nice roasty bits, but they're still really bright and green. And they're gonna be just delicious. You can smell the aroma of all those seasonings. It is so delicious. You can really taste that garlic and onion powder, a little heat from the black pepper, and the herby notes of the dill. So I hope you found this video enjoyable. Eating your veggies should be easy, delicious, and affordable. Start simple with MyPlate using the tips in this video.